Here we have a new story, The Amazing Invisible Tiger.
Underline.
I'll do that. Okay, from here. Okay.
Sophie and Ashley
Have
have a new friend.
I have a new friend. His
Name
is Baba the monkey. Sometimes read.
He
Hmm.
can
He can be very naughty, but he is really a very nice monkey.
Yes.
Okay, just a second. Today he meets two new friends. Can you read these lines again? Sophie and Ashley have a.
new friend.
Don't say had. It is have.
I was saying have a new friend.
Okay, do you read it?
Sophie and Ashley have a new friend. His name is
Baba
the monkey. Sometimes he can be very naughty, but he is
really
a very nice monkey.
today
He meets two new friends.
okay. Okay, now read ahead. Read. Sophie walks with Baba down the street towards Josh's house. Well, Sophie is walking, but Baba does not walk. Okay, what is written here?
Baba
Does not walk.
Why?
Sophie is walking, but Baba does not walk.
Why?
Why? Because you will get to know what is written here? Because he likes to run and jump and do cartwheels down the pavement. Okay, so he is jumping, he is running, he is not walking. Okay, let's see what happens. See, this is what he is doing. Cartwheels down means going round and round, jumping, hopping, yeah, not
But
walking
running.
properly.
But
Running is also good, but when we are on the main road, we can't run. Since he is little naughty, yeah. So let's read ahead. What is happening now? See, here also he is jumping. Okay, let us read this part. Read. What is the first word? What is this? Sophie. Okay. And what is written next to Sophie? Sophie. Tell. Sophie knocks on Josh's front door. Front. This word is what? Front. Okay. Sophie's knocks on Josh's front door. Okay. What happened? I'm not getting it. You speak now. What do you mean? Now see. Sophie knocks on Josh's front door. No answer. I wonder if Josh is in the garden. Josh is in the garden behind his house, says Sophie. Baba is still doing cartwheels on the pavement. Okay.
Cartwheels means
This is what he is doing, no? Going upside down on his hand and jumping. This is called cartwheels. He is doing cartwheels on the pavement. Okay, on outside of the door here on the way. Okay, he is doing like that even after he has reached the Baba's house. Okay, now see.
he learned how to walk.
See. Come on, Baba, says Sophie. She and Baba walks around the garden behind Josh's house. No Josh, but Sophie hears Josh's voice. She looks up. His bedroom window is open. You can see here the window is open, one of the window here in the picture. Now they are standing here and they are going to shout, okay, to call Josh. Josh, shouts Sophie. Josh. For once, Baba stops running and jumping and doing cartwheels. He stands still and looks up at window. The voice from Josh's bedroom stops. There he is. Okay, now see, they are standing here and here he is. Josh has come. Okay, so read these lines along with me. There he is. Josh pops his head out of his bedroom window. Hi, Sophie, says Josh. Who is your new friend? This is Baba, answers Sophie. Do you want to come out and play?
You want to come out and play?
Yeah, she is asking. Okay.
I thought that he is asking. I really thought that. That's why I
Sophie,
was silly.
this is said by all things is said by Sophie. Sophie is saying, there he is. Josh pop his head out of his bedroom window. Hi, Sophie, says Josh. Who is your new friend? So, this is Baba, answers Sophie. Do you want to come out and play? Okay, Sophie is already outside. Yeah. So, see what he says. I can't, says Josh. I have a problem in my bedroom. What is it? Asks Sophie. She and Baba, look here, she and Baba both look up at Josh. I have an invisible tiger in my room. He says, I have an invisible tiger in my room. Now, what? Say Sophie and Baba at the same time. It's true, says Josh. Come on up. Okay, see, Josh is asking them to come up. Yeah, so he's saying, come on up. The back door is open.
Josie is saying that means
Yeah, Josh is saying, I have an invisible tiger in my house.
Josie
Come.
is saying that.
Josh is saying that. Yeah, Josh, not Sophie. So Sophie and Baba, they both, okay, they are called up. You come up and see. The back door is open. Okay, Josh says like that. So Sophie and Baba go through the back door of Joe's house. They go upstairs to his bedroom. Okay, you can see in the picture they have come upstairs in Joe's bedroom. They are at the door. Yeah.
They're at the kitchen.
Yeah, maybe kitchen door or okay, it's a bedroom. Okay, they have entered the room. Now see, Sophie knocks. Sophie knocks. Knocks. What is this word? Knocks. Okay, K silent. So Sophie knocks. Okay, on Joe's bedroom door. He opens the door and says, "Quick, come in fast." Sophie and Baba, Sophie and Baba go into Joe's bedroom and he closes the door quickly. 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 Okay. So they enters the room. 1 second, I'll do that. They enters the room and then he closes the door quickly. Now see what happens next. Sophie says, "Josh, this is Baba. This is Josh." Then she asks, "Why do we have to come in quickly?" "I don't want the tiger to escape," answers the Josh. Okay, so when Sophie is asking, "Why do we have to come so quickly inside?" Where is the word quickly written? Here. Okay, she's asking, why do we need to come inside so quickly? So Josh answer what Josh is saying, "I don't want tiger to escape." ESCAPE, escape. So now see what happens. Sophie and Baba look at each other. Then they start to laugh. Is the word laugh written? This one. LAUGH. Laugh. Okay. GH. Both are silent. We say laugh. We write LAUGH.
Remember silent.
Yes. Remember the spelling LAUGH.
It's the funniest one. Can you make a smiley near it?
Okay. So read it once
Can you
more.
make a smiley near
Okay. Okay. I'll make a smiley in it. Okay. It's little funny.
Hey, above it.
Okay. I'll make a smiley for this. Okay. So
Eyes?
it will just.
Let me make it.
Okay.
Teeth. Oops.
Now make it.
Okay, it will be easy. One dot, one dot, one dot, one dot. Oops.
Okay.
Let's make it one
And
dot.
this word is
Let
for.
me make it again. A little one. Oops. One dot, one dot, one dot. Here it is. It is
Okay.
rest of them.
Okay. Fine.
Only one.
Okay. So there is a word called laugh. Spelling is LAUGH. They then start to laugh. Okay. Josh says, "Sophie, are you sure? Are you sure you are okay? There's no tiger in here," she saying. "There is no tiger. There is no tiger in here." Suddenly they hear a roar. Okay, can you see the word written roar? ROAR, roar. Okay,
Spooky.
yeah. So now see. "I am Lexa the tiger," says a voice. Sophie and Baba are scared. They jump back. Okay, they jump back, and their, now look here, their mouths and their eyes are wide open. "See," says Josh, "there is a tiger in my bedroom." Okay, so sound of tiger comes. Now
It's invisible,
see.
that's why.
And just, and can you try reading? "And not just any tiger," says Lexa. "I am a special tiger."
Lexa means?
It's the name of the tiger. Tiger says, "I'm Alexa." Okay. Why Lexa, not Alexa? Why are you special? Asked Baba. Okay. And how do we know that you are a tiger? Okay, there he's asking, Baba is asking, and how do we know that you are a tiger? Says Sophie, we can't even see you. Okay, now don't make her angry, says Josh. Okay, she's already in a bad mood. Oh, so Josh is saying, this boy, no, Josh, he's saying, don't make her angry. Angry, angry. She is already in a bad mood. Lexa roar again. Josh and Sophie.
Bad mood means?
I don't know why she's in a bad mood. Maybe something happened. She's in a bad mood. Okay. Josh and Sophie and Baba all take a step backward. They are scared. So everybody took a step backward. Can you see the word backward? B-A-C-K. Back. W-A-R-D. Word backward. They are scared. S-C-A-R-E-D. Scared. Okay, let's read these lines again. Don't make her angry, says Josh. She is already in a bad mood. Lexa roars again. Josh and Sophie.
Lexa roars again means?
Roar, make the roar sound. Tiger sound is roars, make a sound. Josh and Sophie and Baba all take a step backward. They are scared. Okay.
Why?
They are scared of the tiger sound. Oh, look here. This is the tiger. Very pretty, nice dress. Yeah. Okay. It looks. Yeah.
I wish there was a real tiger
Yeah.
like this.
Let's
And
read
that
ahead.
one we can see. And
Okay.
if we touch it, nothing happens.
Okay. So you want to see me? Asked Lexa. Watch this. And suddenly there she is, standing in the Joe's bedroom. A very pretty tiger with the beautiful steps. Oh wow, she's looking nice. See, well combed hair with socks and frock. Good, nice shoes. Yeah, let's read these lines. Sophie and Baba and Josh all says, wow, Lexa is pretty, but she is not happy. Why are you in bad mood? Asked Sophie. Because my paw nuts. Oh, because my paw hurts. She's saying because my paw, her paw, no, it's hurting, it's paining. Okay, answers Alexa. So now you know why she is not happy. She's not happy because her paw hurts wearing the shoes. She's not removing
But
her
I
socks
know
and
that
shoes.
she's angry.
Oh, she got hurt. Yeah. See? Now, let me see. Okay, who is saying this? Sophie. Sophie says, let me see, says Sophie. Lexa put, okay, Lexa puts out her paw and Sophie holds it. Sophie looks very closely at Lexa's paw. I think I see the problem, says Sophie. It's a thorn. So a thorn has got into her feet.
Thorn means?
You don't know this thorn? Like very pointed thing which is there on the...
Thorn is over there. A thorn is there.
Yeah. Okay. In plants it is like plants have got thorns in them on their stems. Okay. Usually in rose plant it is to prevent the plant. Okay. So that no animal can eat. If animal eat, they get pricked. Okay. If you touch, you also get pricked. Okay. It's like pointed thing, just like needle. Fine. Now see how Sophie is going to help Lexa. Okay, let's read ahead. A thorn, she is asking. A thorn, okay, asks Lexa, I can help you. Okay, she's saying I can help you. Says Sophie. She has small fingers, so she can easily pull out the thorn. Is that better now? Asks Sophie. Yes, answers Lexa. Thank you so much. So Sophie pulled out that thorn. Now it's not paining anymore. Okay, let's read ahead. Now, oh, they are going somewhere. Let's see.
She becomes her best friend.
Yeah, they all are friends now. So let's read these lines. So now there is a new friend in the street. Sophie and Josh are so excited. Sophie and Josh, they both are so excited. Look at this word, excited. They want to show their new friend Lexa to their other friend Tom. They hope Lexa does not become invisible again. Okay, so they all are going to meet Tom. I don't know, because Lexa can go invisible, na? So they are just hoping that their friend Tom can also meet Lexa, the tiger, and she don't get invisible. Okay, so that's the end of the story. So
next
they all
is going to be about animals.
yeah. Okay, so here the story is over. Fine. So let's